Hey guys, welcome back to another video in my Robinhood investing series. So as you can see, I made a couple changes to my portfolio going back to a year. At this point, I have invested $4,500 into my account. Not sure why there's 2 cents in there as well. I did not deposit 2 cents, but anyways, so as you can see for the day, I am up 3% or $154. So going over to the changes I made today, as you can see, I currently have $3,000 into Tesla, and they did the 5-to-1 split, which brought them in the beginning of the day was at around $400, mid 400. Now it's already up, pushing over $500, which is awesome. So as you can see, my average cost of this was $462. And that's because Robinhood had another glitch this morning where it was not letting me sell any stocks. It was not letting me purchase any stocks. So a little bit of an annoying morning for me. But regardless, I was able to secure 5 more shares of Tesla. I did sell a couple of my other shares that I previously held. And additionally, I have now $1,000 in Apple. So taking a look at Apple, they did a split as well, and they started the day off at around $125, and now they're up $4. So my average cost of Apple is $128, and I'm currently just only up $5. For Tesla, I'm up about $250. Apple only up here for $5. So just looking at just overall, just my return. My return for the day, Tesla, I'm up $200, Apple up $5, Smith & Wesson only up $6 for the day, Amazon up $4, and total return, I'm currently just down on Smith & Wesson just because it did go on a little bit of a downtick. But in terms of equity, so here's where the portfolio is currently at: $3K into Tesla, $1K into Apple, $500 into Smith & Wesson, and $400 into Amazon. I'm going to try bringing this up to $500 at least sometime in the near future. So going to be depositing another $70. But this is what I'm going to be trying to hold for at least a couple months. I foresee holding Tesla a little bit longer. As you guys know, I'm currently saving up for a potential down payment on a house, which is what this portfolio is going to be. So maybe in about 5 years, we'll see what we're at and how much each of these stocks have grown. I decided to sell off Microsoft because it was taking a bit of a dip today. But as you can see, the market as a whole took kind of a dip today. So just wanted to purchase just a couple stocks so I know what I'm looking at. And I have a very good feeling about Tesla, especially since it's already up a decent amount since the split. So I'm glad to actually have 6 shares of Tesla, and we'll see what happens as the series goes on. I'll probably do like maybe a weekly update of this, like if I don't do anything significant. But since my last video, this has been a huge update into the portfolio, and just wanted to give you guys a brief overview of that. And like I said, I'm going to be purchasing more Amazon, maybe dipping more into Tesla depending on what type of news is coming out in the future. But at a year's review, I am up $613, or I'm up 13%. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what your moves were for the day and how much Tesla stock you currently own. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.